Aligning technology with biological intelligence. To progress as a civilization, we must align human technology with the natural intelligence of biological systems. Every organism on Earth is a living example of energy efficiency and adaptive design. Cells repair, reproduce and communicate without wasting resources, guided by millions of years of evolutionary refinement. Our machines, by contrast, consume a vast amount of energy to perform relatively simple tasks. The lesson is clear. The next leap forward will not be faster processes alone, but from deeper understanding of how energy and information are balanced in living systems. If we learn from biology, we can create systems that are self-regulating, decentralized and resilient, just as ecosystems are. Imagine energy networks that adapt to local demand, like the nervous system regulates the body temperatures, or machines that recycle their own waste materials like cells metabolize byproducts. Nature does not generate pollution. Every output becomes an input somewhere else in the cycle. This circular logic is the key to sustainable design and a foundation for a new era of engineering inspired by life itself. The study of corrosion, decomposition and energy transfer provides the scientific bridge between biology and technology. Corrosion is often seen as a problem to be prevented, yet it also demonstrates how metals and minerals interact dynamically with their environment. If we can learn to control these reactions with the precision of biological enzymes, we could develop new materials that heal themselves, generate power, or adapt their structure in response to stress. Time, as the universal constant of change, must be at the centre of this understanding. Every reaction, physical, chemical, or biological, unfolds through time. By mapping how energy flows and transforms within these temporal patterns, we begin to see that intelligence itself is a process of timing, synchronization, and feedback. The universe evolves through continuous cycles of creation and decay, and our technologies must learn to operate within these natural rhythms rather than against them. Ultimately, the goal is to restore harmony between human invention and the natural order. Biological intelligence is not only a model of efficiency, it is a philosophy of coexistence. When we design systems that respect the same principles that govern life, we do more than advance science. We align ourselves with the deeper logic of the cosmos. Only then can we build a future that is sustainable, intelligent and alive in every sense.